believe a liar because it's not everyone out there will pick sense out of nonsense. You see how these people are sick, right? Whosoever behind the page, the person say, big up yourself, sister. Them not believe nothing we pussy and blah 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 blah. Whatever. Yeah, because she come and she ask me, fucking question and I'm answering her. Cause we keep on as a girl. I don't know who behind the page, okay? So, I was gonna block the person and run it, but sometime you have to hear what the wicked them have to say. And everybody have their own fucking opinion, I can take a hard liquor, whatever they are coming with or whatever. So, this is from last year, right? Germs box. Yesterday when me live, you gone over fucking, hi Chris. You gone over Kandy live a bad mouth me. Why every fucking time, low life fucking scum? Oh, Tanya have to come off of the internet and go look out for her kids. Big pussy girl or whosoever under this. Does my fucking children them look like them want to take care of? Does my fucking children them look like them short as something more? Like what the fuck wrong with you? Like me have a baby father. My children them have a fucking dad. I am not a single fucking mother. Look how much blogger we're out there on. You understand the person I watch out my page or what this or what this may they put up. I'm telling you, these people sick. Lord God, give me them a sleep. And they put they're sick. You know some sick fucker on the fucking internet. You understand? On this dirty page. Look here now. I am not being funny, Tanya, but you need to come off the internet and go look after your picking of them. So, hey, my kids them look like say. My kids them look like them want to look after. We are doing a coronavirus investment. This is to help people gain cash in the perfect. Me don't ever go look on that. Let me ask you something. Wanna come as wolf in a sheep clothes. Me know you know. Me know you know. Me are not idiot, right? Me just sometimes I don't like to be rude to people. Like as I said, people have their own opinion, and if them hear something and them coming on my inbox and them want to say it or whatever, I will listen. But if y'all get too deep disrespecting me, then I gonna rub you the fuck out and block you. Me and this person end up talk for like a whole fucking day. We've been typing back and forth. And then you're gonna go on and then you go on another page, bad mouthing me and telling me, oh, me forgot look out for my kids them. When you see my children them look like say them it need a care. Pay the fucker no man, you are shining. Jealousy. Fucking jealousy. Me's a fucking star, that's all. When you can't tell a woman what the woman yeah 24. Look how many bloggers or vloggers on YouTube and all over. And they have their fucking children. And they're blogging and vlogging and whatever with them children. Every exactly, the Carters them. They have 4 beautiful girls. Them do this, them do that. You understand? I'm only come on here, I only come when people provoke me to rot. And all I want is the people to leave me the fuck alone. Stop pressing live and talk about me and my fucking children. That's all I wish. And when we get upset and come and attack, it's a fucking problem. Huh? She gonna say now what next? Wait there. This fucking dog shit. This fucking dog shit. You don't fucking know me. Who the fuck is you talking about? Oh, Tanya forgot look out for our kids them. What the wrong with you? Wanna leave my children them alone out of no stinking mouth, man. My children them are love. They have a fucking dad. You understand? Then see again here with the page right. Wait. Nobody not programming you go. Anything him say him want to say it. Him just love post. Okay. I don't give a fuck. I can't fuck my brother. I don't give a fuck who my brother wanna love. My brother come to his mom for help and we're gonna help him. No matter the circumstances, no matter what nobody say. Once him want the help, we are gonna fucking help him. We're not gonna forsake him. That's all. That's all I have to say. You understand? I don't give a fuck. From day one, I keep on saying, I cannot sleep with my brother. I don't give a fuck who my brother them sleep with. This demon, this fucking demon, right? Well, she not have no resting place. She thinks she could have bully my family. This bitch don't know, sir. Me and my family, them a bully. We bully her the fuck down. And if we hold her, we beat out her blood clot on top of it. Me and my mother, we beat out her blood clot. Now ask Christ. Fuck do no. We are type up my name. We are talk about my kids for. My kids them look like say them hungry. Them look like say them dirty. And them in need. If me sick and me can't do it. Whether or not me want sick or nothing, they have their fucking father to look after them, bitch. When a bad mind, no blood clot, when you come in like wolf in a sheep clothes, like when you think so, you can't trick me. Genuinely, I'm a really nice person. Genuinely, I don't like to disrespect people. You understand? I will listen. If you come in my inbox and you want to know something, I will talk to you. I will. If you're coming on my inbox and just trace me, I'm going to trace you. If you're coming on my inbox, start asking me questions, I'm going to answer you politely. I'm going to break it down to you. Right? Me don't know what your problem behind that page. And I'll give my daughter, and I'm going to find out who are you. My daughter Amanda can find your page. We're going to find who behind this page. And the person who is behind the page, they are in England. Because them comment underneath my cousin fucking picture last year. Oh, me never know say you and Tina cousin. I said, yes, Tina is my cousin. Oh, Tina this, Tina that, they're starting to class my cousin. And I said, listen, don't come underneath my page and class my family. Right? So me know so the person is from England. I'm gonna find you, you fucking piece of shit. I already give Amanda your fucking page. I'm telling you, big up yourself, Peter John. My daughter can find you, you know. My daughter, I can get information. Any information I want. You understand? Don't fucking play with my smart kids. You understand? Fuck out of here talking about go and look after. My daughter have a much blood clot subject. My little daughter. Yeah? She get 8 out of fucking 9 in her English. She get A fucking star. Who the fuck is you? Who the fuck is you for come and tell me stuff? Go look about my kids them. You see me kids them a Lego beast. You see me a company here, so, and I say, Lord God, I put up my daughter picture. Me can't my daughter and I come home for how much day. Anybody will see this child, come suck up. Hey. Stop right up my blood clot name, no drunk crow. Y'all like up my picture. Y'all give me applause. I don't buy that. I know you're a fucking wolf in a sheep clothes. But as I said, me just leave uno. Me leave uno for watch out my life. Me want you for watch out my fucking life. You understand? Stop chat fucking shit. Full time now, uno for stop talk boy. Go look boy your kids. And me alone have children and they on fucking internet. Me want to know if me alone come on social media and press me live where I have kids. Fuck wrong with you no? Go on, if you're a mother, go and look about your kids. We are worried about my kids them for. They're great. Can't fuck my brother. But I'm gonna help him. Whether or not, I don't give a fuck. Anytime he go to his mom, she's gonna help him. And I'm not gonna encourage her not to. Fuck out of here. The whole I wanna put in a fucking nose. Those people are so sad. God know how you find time to trouble. Exactly. And sister Suki, the person keep on liking my fucking pictures them. Watching out every story I put up. But then, while I were over here live, the fucking pussy hole went over Kandy live and write up all kind of shit about me. You know, I don't care what they want to say about me. But when you're going to type up about, oh, Tanya, go look out for your Pickney them. People get paid. People get paid to on the fucking internet. Like, bloggers, they have their kids, they're making money. Like, I know every day I'm a company, yes, so my only company here, so when people fuck with me, I'm a want to talk. You not silence me, you know. You can't silence me. So you come with a little sneaking self and a like up on a try. Like you're somebody good. Eh? Why you couldn't come in on my inbox and say to me, say, Tanya, you know, say, this is going on a long time. Just ignore the people, them or whatever. You have your kids, you know, give me some word of encouragement. You dip on a write up on Kandy page I talk about. She can look about her Pickney and come off of the internet like me a blood clot beg you something. Who you man? Who the fuck is you? Me know you. Me don't know you. Obviously, you must see something in me, make you dip on my page I like up and I watch my story and come in on my inbox, come talk to me. Me most important bitch. Fuck out of here, man. I'm tired of one of fucking nasty, wicked people. We love putting a mouth on people, children. Everything. Don't you come on, Mr. People. We have young baby. Come on, yes, and push roller and buckle on them pussy. And they pan a wine and a skin out and them have a 6 weeks old baby. And I am not doing those things. Leave me fucking children them alone. Tell them, sister. They have a dad. Their father love them. Rather love his children. Him spoil them right now. Say me can't look about them father can blood clot look about them. Me not single, no stop address me like me's a single mother and I'm me alone I grow my kids them. Fuck out of here, man. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you, man. You can't leave me alone now. You leave me alone now, no, man. Me do everything in the book. For a good mother. I ask you know, what the definition of a bad mother? Because as far as I'm concerned, I'm a fucking good mother. They are wrong like they keep on cussing my children and they have a problem with my fucking kids. What my kids do you germs? IG germs. What have my fucking children them done to you? Make you type up. Call up boy, you're picking at them nice, clean kids them. Bitch, you know some kids them clean and nice. 24 hours. I don't party. I don't go out. If I do party, it have to be my close friend or family invited me to whatever they're keeping and I will go. But me not gonna get up and dress up myself. I'm gonna dance and no, I am not that type of person. I am a home person. I like to cook. I like to clean. I like to take care. It give me joy to looking after my fucking kids. See my cousin come on, yeah? Where the person, Tina. Cause my cousin, you know, I tell you something. Soon I eat that, you know. I tell you, you eat that, girl. Somebody, you come from Brixton, you know Tina, right? So, your pH, you must show somebody. You must show somebody, say, the girl Tina, I'm there and I need, me go find you. Hey, girl, see anybody me say me go find? Me go find. Me, I go find who they behind this blood clot page. And I gotta rinse out your nasty blood clot hole. I gotta post you up everywhere, rinse out your whole germs. Don't type up nothing about my fucking children. My children, them are great. My kids, them are not Lego beasts. Them attendance is 94 fucking 8 in school. Kiara is an A-class student. She's a prefect. So if I was a Kaylee's fucking mother doing Kaylee stuff, whatever you do, your fucking kids them do. So if me they all about and different man are coming to my house and me a Lego beast, Amanda and Kiara would be a fucking Lego beast. The extra classes them were the £200. When I pay a month time, when I invest in my data, I could have use that every month and buy couple pack of Brazilian ear. Tanya, don't let the devil intervene in your house. Cancel everything. The devil come to attack you and your kids. Talk true, Venetia. The people them, I never see something like this in all my fucking life. These fucking motherfucking scumbag. They just love to talk about my fucking children like, what the fuck my kids them do now? One-on-one with me and my kids them. And me alone have kids and come on social media. Hey, go and look by your Pickney. Go and do this to your Pickney. My fucking kids them are great. They're downstairs right now playing the Switch on them big 79 bomber pussy blood clot TV. I pick them up every blood clot things for them comfort. I make sure I get them comfort that them want straight. Yes, Blackjack, whatever a child see a mother do, that's what these fucking children gonna do. I don't smoke. All the way me go out. Me not lie. If I go to my cousin party, I'm a friend. Me not lie. Me like when I go out. I mean, I drink my belly. I tell you, 3 drinks. I like 4 drinks. What me like? Red Stripe beer, belly air. Yeah. Me like Melabo. Me love Melabo. Me throw it in my pineapple juice. You understand? On a Sunday when me finish up, cook, press. Yeah. I'm like Baileys. Me show myself a glass of beer where I make. You know, some Malibu with coconut. I like all the coconut juice and put the like fuck. I only do that on a Sunday. I don't drink. And Bellier, I have to go out for drink that. I not gonna drink that in my house. Right? Me teach my girl picking them for respect themselves. Me make them know, say, listen, man can't wait. Man gonna always be there. Boyfriend gonna always be there. Get yourself some education and some qualification. Be an independent black woman. So when you're ready to start date, your standards are high. That's the things them what I sit down with my girl putting them and make them know. So when you're ready to start date, that man they have to have high standard. When you not them not gonna date no little dibby, you know? He that blood clot man. Amanda, my firstborn. She was engaged when she was 18 years old. And the guy who she was gonna marry is a jockey. Making so much money. You understand? You know, him living in Jamaica, you know how much money him buy for your engagement ring? Him fly out. Him manager fly him out. And him go buy her blood clot ring. And what do you know? My daughter pussy turn up. You understand? Turn up. My post that already. Him go up on him fours. Because I teach her that. I said, listen, my mother, make sure tell me, never have a Pickney. For a man will have too much Pickney. Okay. Amanda father did have one. Kiara father never have none. Kiara is the first child for her father. And then when me meet blood clot rallying, I me get rallying the more like kids them and what the fuck do you know? I really don't know how people get so brave. Cussing kids, they're cursed. They curse for life. They're some evil motherfuckers. Everybody know what me say. Me don't do kids. If you hear me talk, I'm not gonna stop saying it's in love. Yep, Sanders. She is the only person my rubber blood clot Pickney them hard. You know why? Me never know her. I never know this fucking ape. And this ape live for me blood clot name. She rub me every day and she rub Rallying. She rub me kids. I'm telling you, mental, yo, we have some sick fucking people out there. I don't want to know you people. I already have my close friends. I already have people who genuinely like me. The internet is not my fucking friend. I have friends for 20 years. I'm a friend them at Jamaica. You understand? Stop telling me about my children them. Me grew and me raised my children them good. I have 3 little girls. They're still young. And I'm trying my utterly best, me and Amanda and Kiara, to lead them to the same path as their fucking sisters. My children, them are, yo, when Amanda come by here and cuss, they provoke her. Imagine they make fake page in her name and her sibling names like Rallying fucking out Kemar, Batty and them something there. Then they took that page and they go and follow the little girl. No provoke them, I provoke her. So she come out and she cuss. Cause she's a decent girl. All of my daughter school friend them was she and them go school together. They all in big job. One of our friend them a train for be barrister. Barrister. And those little girls love me because when they come over, I cook and I feed them and I love them. And they love me. My daughter got 4 close friends. And those 4 girls, they are fucking independent. They all have their own house or apartment or whatever. They're working and studying. Daniel's still studying. She finished, she's a lawyer, and she gone go study back to be a barrister. Like, what's wrong with Uno? Uno don't know me, stop coming on the internet, and because Uno hear some low-life germs who never meet me, come and chat shit out of their mouth, give Uno the right for come and class up me and my kids them, and feel so Uno know it. You fucking people don't know me. None of Uno we are talk about me don't know me. None of Uno we are talk about my kids don't know me. I love children. I'm so fucking overprotected of my children. I don't let them go nobody's fucking yard. Since lately, Kiara friend, because I talked to her, the mother, and I know that there is no man in that house. It's like the little girl and her sister and her mother live. So, I know so the environment where me I send Kiara in her, me not have to worry and say, oh, you know, say too much boy there. No. That's why I make sure give my children them anything they ask for. If I don't have the money to do it, the day they ask, I said, okay, you know, I'm going to get money that, like, the next 2 weeks, or, okay, I'm going to get it for you. None of you don't know me. My kids, them come to me. I grow them that listen. Come to your mother. Anything wrong with do no come to me. I don't even beat my children. I don't even beat them. That's the relationship me and my kids them have. Me in my room and 6 of them in my bed, include Manda. We are 25-year-old. She's still in her mother room, laid alongside her mother. Rallying barely catch upon the bed. I don't close door in my house. My kids them never, ever catch me in a no position. No. Me and them father never. Never. I am a private person. Don't come on social media and act like someone know me and fucking typing up. Go and look after your children them. Go and go do this. My kids them telling us say them want to look after. As far as me concerned, they're striving. They're striving. Kalia is 1+ and she's so. The Pickney come like so she's 10 years old. She's very smart for her age. Even when the head visitor come, and I say, she's so alert. I can't send Kalia for things that she coffee it and bring come give me. And she's just 1+. Good night, George. You don't know me. Stop come on social media and type up, oh, this you don't know nothing about my children. My children, them are love. It's not me alone that grew them. They have their dad. Uno just listen, you know what? You know what? Enough for Uno. Mama, Mama, you know we have to lock the gate, right? Cause you know you're naughty, Mama. Come here, Mama. Come here, baby girl. I have to lock her up because she's going to the bathroom. What's up, Mama? She's going to the bathroom and she throw everything. She throw the Pickney them PlayStation remote when I just buy. For 40 pounds, she throw it in the toilet. You know, she reached that stage where she's exploring. My little baby has strive. You look at my little baby nice. Mommy love you. When I come tell me, girl, boy, you Pickney them. Like me tell you some Pickney them one look. Yo, my Pickney them get X amount of blood clot care. Tell myself. You understand? My girl Pickney them have to come. All of them. Even the boy. He have to come good. Because especially Jamaican mother, them libel us as careless, workless, this. Me no understand how you not say me careless. How you not say me careless when I always home I look out for my fucking kids. Stop typing about my kids' pussy walls. Leave my fucking children them out on a dirty mouth. Sort out phone the children if you don't have none. Worry about phone the kids. I don't have to worry. All of them. Kiara 16, she in my house. She's downstairs. They're playing the switch. They connect it to the TV and they're playing it. I mean, I know where all of my kids is. They're here with their fucking mom. Yeah. You don't follow mama. You're so smart. Huh? They're not making you play the game. Mama. They're not making you play it. You soon get big and can't play it. Yeah? You understand? Love me and my kids them, man. For where wanna go turn on our kids? Look how much people up on the internet to have kids. Why everything me do bother you guys or gal or have some low lives coming out on you take on the time out. Me not follow uno up. I don't give a fuck about uno. Exactly. They have much kids like me and nobody not wait near not tell them so for come off alive. As live done them press one. Jesus Christ. I only come live to talk my mind. Uno not silence me. You want to believe anything you want to believe? Believe it. Believe anything you want to believe. I don't give a fuck. I don't live for you. You know why I come and address you? Because you come like a fucking snake. I already know you're a snake. But the personality, I'm a genuinely nice person. Wouldn't just make some people just, Tanya, this. How can somebody talk about a person where they never fucking meet in them life? So that person wouldn't know my personality. Wouldn't know nothing. My true friends. I never meet Fred them in a real life. It's going on to 8 years I meet Fred them on the internet. And we're still going. You don't come like say me and Fred them know each other. So we're not talking about me and mix up. Me can't hold my mouth. Anything when me and Fred them discuss, me not go tell Pretty or me not go tell Gangster Dan. Anything me and Gangster Dan, even Gangster Dan, just come join the crew and me love her. She love me. She know me a gangster, me a real blood clot gangster. Me no make my mouth bother me. I don't fucking gossip about my friends. I don't do it. Talk to you, Stam. Going on to 8 years, see one of the system, yeah? The SWAT team, them. And we are go strong. So if I was a bad fucking person, I wouldn't get kicked out. Big up yourself, Diary. I wouldn't get kicked out of the SWAT team long time. Me afraid them will tear down the blood clot internet. Suki there, Sister Suki. 6 years me know Sister Suki on the internet. What the fuck wrong with Uno? What wrong with Uno? Uno not no loyalty. Uno don't know the meaning of true friend. You understand? Uno just sit down and just listen to a negative fucking person when nothing good is happening in that person's life. That person take a madman, and she feel like say she get a mad fucking man. She don't get a conscious man, she get a mad fucking man and I manipulate him. That's fucking all. Nothing special. And she can come and she can manipulate him for talk them lies and him things them about him family, him good, nice, clean, blood clot family. What she want for owner or not blood clot owner. She not telling her she there. Oh, last night 10 o'clock. She there in my anti-blood clot yard. Eh? Me not talk about this some more, you know. Me not talk about, me not have nothing to say. I just said, she's feeding Hugo his habit. She's providing for his habit. You understand? Them say who know the truth. I know the truth. My family know the truth. Me not come on social media. I have nothing to prove. More than when she get him killed. That's all me have to say. When she get him killed, I hope Uno. Yes, Auntie Paula, mommy called me. Mommy called me with my auntie. She went. Me tell her how she wicked. I'ma say, me not stop prayer, but I have to leave it to God. I can't be. I'm tired. Like really and truly, people. I need my energy for my fucking kids. You understand? I'm just tired of this. And the only way this is gonna stop is when him dead. Because she's gonna kill him. She take a cab and going to my auntie house. She was outside and she was telling him, take out your clothes them out of the woman yard. Wait there no. Remember, you see that yard? That's my mom and dad yard, right? So that's his yard also. And the woman was sure say, take out your things out of the woman house. That's my auntie. That's his auntie. Remember me telling you, you know, the man they move him for him own protection, you know. Him go back, she carry him back there. She carry him back there. All me and my mother can do is pray. That's nothing more. But we have to just open mind. We're gonna get that fucking call that he's dead. That's all I have to say. You understand? I'm tired of this now. You see them people, they are ancient blood clot, they dopey.